I'm sure you've heard the news. The law of attraction is changing lives. Ready to manifest your dreams? The law of attraction is all about using the power of your thoughts to shape your life. Imagine your mind as a magnet, attracting what you focus on. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. Many struggle because they don't truly believe in it or let negative thoughts take over. The key principles? Positive thinking and energy vibrations. Think of your thoughts as radio signals. What you send out is what you get back. Need proof? Look at success stories like Jim Carrey, who visualized his success long before it happened. Remember, gratitude and positivity are your best friends on this journey. So, why not give it a try? Start manifesting today and share your experiences in the comments below. Your dream life is just a thought away.